Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are seeing east facing house plan of plot size 64 feet by 54 feet and it's G plus 1 plan. The total plot area is about 3,456 square feet and the built area on the ground floor is 516 square feet. Here is the full view of the plan. Let me explain the first floor plan first, then we will come to the ground floor later. In first floor, the built area is about 1,568 square feet. As I mentioned, it's east facing. This layout is highly compliant with basic Vastu principle. Here is the room by room detailing. The first floor contains the primary living spaces and showcases the most important Vastu element. Our main door opens from the east balcony of size 19 feet 6 inches by 13 feet 3 inches into the living room. And here we have a living room cum dining space measuring 18 feet 9 inches by 17 feet. It is located in northeast to center. The large open space is located in front side right of the house. And we have provided sofa location over here. Opposite to that, we have allocated TV showcase. The northeast corner is considered the water zone and the most sacred part of the house. Keeping this area open, light, and welcoming bring peace and prosperity to the family. And coming to the kitchen, it is located in southeast corner. Uh, that is like front left side of the floor plan. This is perfect. Southeast is a fire zone that is ugly corner in Vastu. And the kitchen is measuring 11 feet by 11 feet. Placing the kitchen here ensures good health and financial flow. The layout ensures the cook will face east while preparing food, which is ideal. And we kept our water sink in the northeast of the room. Our stove is over here. And the kitchen is provided with an storeroom. It's measuring 5 feet by 5 feet 6 inches. We have allocated fridge space over here. Coming to the puja room, it is in the south center, a place near the kitchen and storeroom. While the northeast is the traditional first choice for puja room, placing it here with doors that open to east, so you face east while praying, is also a highly acceptable and positive Vastu practice. And the puja room is measuring 5 feet 6 inches by 5 feet 6 inches. And we have another common toilet measuring 7 feet by 10 feet. The attached toilets are placed in the west and northern walls. And the west and northwest are ideal zones for waste disposal and drainage, preventing negative energy from entering the main living spaces. And here we have a master bedroom in the southwest corner of the house. The southwest is the earth corner, representing strength, weight, and stability. This is the absolute best placement for the head of the family, that is owner, to ensure a stable and commanding life. And we kept our bed sleeping portion in the south and wardrobe in the west. The master bed is measuring 11 feet by 16 feet. And opposite to the master bedroom, we have allocated our kids' bedroom, measuring 11 feet by 11 feet 6 inches, with an attached toilet of size 11 feet by 4 feet, and the commode pointing towards north. As per also, it should be pointing towards north or south, and here we kept towards north. And the location of a kids' bedroom is at the northwest, that is the wall corner, Arab wind corner. It represents movement, growth, and making a great location for children or guests. So we place the kids' bedroom over here. And we have our lift portion over here, like it's measuring 6 feet by 6 feet in the front left corner. Heavy structures like staircase lifts are best placed in the southwest or southwest to block negative energy. Placing them in the southeast is a common and acceptable practice, provided they do not block northeast light. So it doesn't block northeast light. And coming to the ground floor plan, here we have a massive open space. It's meant for vehicles. And portico or car parking space is measuring 30 feet, 9 inches by 17 feet. Leaving the north and eastern sides of a plot relatively open and lighter than the south and west is a core Vastu value. This large parking area achieves that perfectly. And coming to the ground floor, master bedroom and kids bedroom. Just like the first floor, a master bedroom and kids bedroom are located at the back of the property. They follow the exact positive Vastu alignment. Earth corner for the master and wind corner for the kids, as the main house above them. And that's all with the overall plan. You can see the overall layout. You can get more plans on our website, houseplansdelhi.com, houseplans.world. Our apps are available on the Google Play Store. House Plans and Designs, House Designs and Plans, Planist, and Business Apps. We are conducting a 30-day online class on how to create house plans according to Shastra. If you are interested, please reach out via WhatsApp at 99520 290 632 join. Thank you.